Good morning, everyone. We have started the lesson that is Jodi. This is Jodi's form. Okay, we have studied the information. I think two videos before this I have sent, and we have studied the story. I will one time repeat the story. The Jodi, a small boy, he was dreamed about a fawn. Fawn means what? Baby deer, and he want to brought up the baby deer. Why? Because that baby deer's mother saved the life of his own father. Okay, by getting killed when his father was getting killed, getting beaten by the snake. No. So he thought that he come to father and said, father, can I bring that fawn? Might be that fawn is there in the forest. The fawn is very alone in the forest. Fawn will afraid, may be afraid in the forest. So can we bring that fawn and brought up here in our house? Father said that I can't say no, you can ask to your mama. And afterwards, yesterday we have studied, he went to ask his mama. Mama also can't say no, but she is very angry that her own child is going in jungle and bringing the fawn. He is going very long away in jungle. That's why she became angry. Anyhow, the with Jodi who went, the person who went with Jodi, the name of that character or name of that person is Millville. Okay, you can see in picture here now Millville. Okay, this slide we'll see first. Okay, Millville, he is Jodi mounted Millville's horse. Whose horse that is? That is a person who is standing nearby the horse, Millville, and Jodi was mounted on that horse. Do you think he is still there? Now Jodi is thinking about continuously only about the fawn, and he said that, do you think, he asked to the Millville, do you think that fawn maybe they are still there on that place in the jungle? We will find him if he is alive. How do we know it's a he? Okay, now Millville said that, okay, no problem, we will find that fawn, don't worry. But how can we identify that that is only the fawn of a deer, of mother deer, who killed while saving his father? How can you identify that fawn? Now what is the sign he has? Let's see. It's a spot, its spots are all in a line on a doe fawn passes. The spots are every which way, means he will identify with the help of the spots, and the spots are in a line. Next you can see they ride through a jungle. Okay, cut to the north, Millville. Now he is saying cut to the north. At the north he is showing the direction. Millville, it was up here that Pa got bitten by the snake and killed the doe, and I saw the fawn. He is saying that we should go towards the north, and definitely that place only, on that place only my father get killed, bitten by the snake, and the doe killed here. Next again we are going to see. As they passed the abandoned clearing, Jodi gave himself over to thoughts of the fawn. Suddenly Jodi was unwilling to have Millville with him. But I am afraid to leave you, boy. Suppose you got lost or got bitten by the snake too. It's not far now, but the scrub is very thick. For a horse, I can make it on foot. Now here what you see in the picture, now here they both are in the jungle, but at not that point where that dog killed. So Jodi is insisting, and Jodi feel uncomfortable with Mr. Will, and he is insisting to Mr. Will, please leave me here. I will go alone at that place and I will find out the fawn. But Mr. Millville is not ready. He is saying, no, if you lost in the jungle or if you bitten by the snake, what to do? But the Jodi is not listening. If the fawn, now he is saying that if I meet to the fawn, if the fawn is dead, I am unable to, could not be found, I cannot have my disappointment seen. If the fawn was there, the meeting would be so lovely, so secret that I cannot endure to shore. Through this sentence, we can understand how Geordie is very eager to meet to fawn. He's saying, if I found the dead fawn there, if I unable to meet the fawn, definitely I will become disappointed. But the meeting, if I meet to that fawn there, then definitely I will become very happy. I don't have words to explain our meeting. So now here he is insisting. What he is insisting? See the picture number 2. I will take care. It might take me a long time to find the fawn. If he is wandered, leave me off right here. Now he is insisting to Millville, please drop me here, let me go. And now Millville asked him. What he asked, say, all right, but you take it easy now. You know north here and east. There and there. That tall pine makes a bearing. Now here Millville said that you know the direction very well or not. He said, yes, I know the sign also. I know that place, the pine tree, which is the tall pine tree. That is the sign. I know, let me go. He is insisting to Millville.